We're at Spring Street Carpark in Tauranga. We've got a Schindler 3300 MRL. This car park goes up in half floors. I think this is a replacement for an older lift. If anyone knows, a comment would be great. We are on the top floor of the car park. Maintained by Kone. (1,150 kgs or 15 persons, so we're stopping on 7. Going down?
Yeah, sure.
Round?
Round, please, yeah. Some days you can't get a car park in there, and today you get lose your life, you know?
Oh yeah. So now we'll take a look at the cab. Takes a second to get going. It's rather basic interior, but this is a car park though. That's to be expected. We are at 9. So down we go again. Three, 1. We are back down at 1 again. There it goes. And that's it.